I found it. Something I've been looking for at least a year. Can I show it to you? There are a ton of videos on YouTube on how to make your own anvil out of a piece of railroad track. So I'm going to study those videos, and you know how I roll. You know, I'm just going to do it myself. But I do think I have a plan. This side is perfectly flat, like factory edge. This part is pretty boogered up where I guess, I don't know how they cut it, but whoever did it, you know, didn't really care about the edge. So this side is going to be my horn side, where I'll make a horn. I'll have to get the grinder out and cut this out. Then I'm going to have to flatten this. Well, I don't know how to do it yet. I'll watch some videos, University of YouTube. I just wanted to share it with you. See ya! While I got you, I got to show you something. Oh yeah, got me a dark matter sticker. I'm telling you right now, man, don't let the name fool you. He's not a dark guy. He's a very nice guy, very helpful guy. I consider him my buddy. I consider him my friend. Oh, he sent me a little note. Thanks for the sticker, brother. Here's one back. You're a good friend. Love, Dark Matter. Dark is a very helpful guy to a lot of YouTubers. A pretty doggone skilled woodcarver too. So you should check him out. I'll leave a link down there. Look. Huh? I don't have any other stickers that are, are all round or square, I think. Nobody has a real custom cut one like Dark Matter. I'm going to put him right next to Justin and Jana. Thanks, Dark. See ya. Really out this time.